Hey dudes, so in this look, I didn't put on any foundation or contour or anything like that. It's just eyeshadow, basically. Cause I have really bad acne right now, and I don't want to ruin that even more. So I'm trying to wear less foundation right now, cause no matter what you do, makeup will give you pimples. And I still like to put on the primer because it really seems to help, I guess. So I've been using that. Anyway, so in this video, there is a surprise at the end because I started doing the look and then I just could not stop with the glitter. You'll see at the end of the video. If you want to just skip to the end, go ahead. But it's actually a disaster. I don't know what happened. I don't know what came over me. But I started and then I just could not stop myself. And at the beginning, I was like, oh, this actually kind of looks cool. It kind of looks like a rainbow. And then it just got really bad. It got really ugly real fast. And yeah, and then most of this video is me trying to do my eyeliner. I actually messed it up and then had to take off all of the makeup again and then do it over. And the video you see is the one that is the second time of me trying to do this entire thing. And I was very frustrated. So yeah. Right now, my husband is away on like a business trip where he's going to the UK, going to Britain. But here's where the eyeliner stuff starts. Yeah. But my husband's away on this trip. He's just he drove down there yesterday, and he's on his way back now. He had to drop off like stuff, like products that this guy's selling in the United States. Not United Kingdom or Britain or whatever. And so he's on his way back now, and I'm very, very bored. And this video is the result of that. So, because I just had free time, and so I just, yeah, made this disaster of a video. And I was like, I recorded it, so I'm going to use it. Yep. So that's the story, and I'm sticking to it. That's my excuse for why this disaster of a video happened, and I just am very embarrassed with how long this eyeliner took me to do. I think I need to buy new eyeliner or something because I think it might be drying out. I don't know. It's lasted me a very, very long time. I've had this eyeliner for a while. Works pretty good. Alright, and we're just gonna... I think I have that Gentle Marbles Too Much gene, to where I start doing some stuff and then I think, oh, maybe I should do a little bit more, make it a little bit more, and then I just could not stop myself. It's happened a lot. Yeah. And this is where the glitter starts. I started with that one. So if you want to just see this part of the video and not see the end, I'm totally fine with that. But this is the look that I was going for. I just wanted to do this one glitter right here, you see. I just wanted to do that, and then my husband said, it kind of looks weird with just the glitter, and then I added more. Here's me putting on some mascara. So that would be the final look. This mascara would be the last thing. Don't do what happens next. Do not continue. Do not. And here it comes. I think. Continue with the mascara. And then here it comes. And in any second now, the final look is coming. Alright, taking quite longer than I thought it would. Yeah, that's it. That's that glitter that I was talking about. Okay, bye guys.